Namaste, TJ here. Today I'm going to do how to order a back cover for your phone. There is a simple procedure, you can follow my lead. Let's rock and roll. Open browser and search for Salted Store. Click the first one, or you can type this URL like this. There you will find a lot of things. There are designed by familiar cartoon series. So I am going to order back cover for my mobile. For that, just click shop mobile covers. So you can see the variety of mobiles. Here I am going to select Moto G Plus because my phone is Moto G Plus. See, there is lot of back covers are there. You can choose any one. So I like this one, Avengers Captain America Shield. Click add to my card, shopping. There is three procedures: my card, delivery and payment. So I click checked out. There you will see the amount of total. Click and check out. You can register a new account or log in with FB or Google account. If you have forgot your account, click here forgot password. Ta-da! So it is arrived here. Let's unbox it. Nice packaging. The quality of the packing paper is very nice and feels good. Most importantly, the cartoons are mentioned here is very good. I feel to hold this for a long time. Anyways, let's open this. It's highly protected by the packing. Nice. Oops, no. I thought it can be folded and the lines are not original, but good printing. I feel like 3D. It is covered everywhere. Each edge are covered. That's good. Ooh, yeah. A strong one, built like a steel. Nice quality, perfectly cover for mic and camera. Soul Store logo is also printed. They are marketing like a branded item. Okay, good. While I used the cover for couple of days, I felt it's good product because a lot of friends ask me about this cover and the goodness of the phone is improved. The problems are I face, it's very skippery. It's fell down many times but no issues. Next is there is a issue to lock and unlock, like for a right hand users feels more problem, but left hands users can use. It's okay. The advantage of the cover is, see, there is no problem to touch my lenses because all moto lens are little out, and it is heat resistant cover. I can feel the change of heat comparing to the body. And then another one is it's perfectly fit. Each and every holes are perfectly fit.